dear kids, welcome to your Red and Pay class. Let's read phonics. What's this? Ha, 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 hey, ha, t, head, ha, hey, ha, t, head, t, tap, 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 tap. K. What's this? K. Cap. Cap. Hat. Tap. Cap. Students, now let's come to our book page. Book page number 6. Let's read the phonics again. A, N, K, P, S, T, H, D, H, it, hat, tap, tap, cap, cap, kite, cat, pen, pen, pet, pet. Students, now look at the picture. What's this? Cat. Do you know? Cat is a pet animal. Cat is a pet animal. Pet animals कौन से होते हैं जिन्हें हम अपने घर में पालते हैं? और cat क्या है? Pet animal है. And who is she? She is girl. And it's tree. Now kids, it's your homework. Do practice of these phonics. Bye.